Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the MacBook off and unplugging everything. Make sure you discharge static by touching grounded metal because electronics are sensitive. Once done, flip the laptop and remove the 6P5 pentalobe screws. Keep them sorted by length and position so reassembly is simple. Use a soft mat to protect the case. Then lift the back gently from the hinge edge, prying evenly to avoid bending the chassis. This first step gives you access and prevents damage later. Once the back is slightly free, lift it carefully while checking for hidden ribbon cables near the hinge. Those tear easily, so go slow. Make sure you disconnect the battery connector first. That prevents accidental shorting while you handle components. Then remove any mounting brackets and unscrew components in logical groups, placing each group in labeled containers so you know where each screw belongs. You're organizing as you go because clean, methodical work speeds both repair and troubleshooting. To finish, remove the remaining fasteners and lift the back off fully, inspecting the perimeter gasket and clips for damage so the seal returns correctly. When reassembling, reverse the steps, reconnect the battery last, and tighten screws evenly. Don't over-tighten, because stripped threads and warped panels cause bigger problems. If the MacBook fails to boot after reassembly, make sure to reseat the battery and data cables and inspect connector pins for debris. That one troubleshooting step fixes many common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.